Welcome, in front of me is a Redmi Note 11 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can enable your power saving mode. So to get started, we're gonna pull down our notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen and then find the power saving mode, which will be on one of the pages. So I don't see the toggle right here on the first page, so I'm gonna swipe to the left and this will show me a second page of toggles, and it's right over here, battery saver. Once you see this toggle, simply press on it. As you can see, it changes the color, and that's basically all the info we have. So I'm gonna check if... Nope, typing on the text doesn't really give me any info. That's about all we have. Now I can only give you just a suggestion, kind of like an info that's that I got from other power saving modes. If you have any problem with, for instance, notifications or emails not being really delivered to you when they're supposed to be, like right when they're being sent to you, as an example, but for instance hours later when you interact with the device, that is usually to default of the power saving mode. So what happens is power saving mode will sometimes, I don't mean all the time because it really depends on the manufacturer, but like I'm saying, if you see this kind of thing happening here, that means that it would be fault of power saving mode. But yeah, if you see that you're just fetching of different things like messages, emails and so on is delayed or just not happening at all when you're not using your device, then simply turn off your battery saver, because it does there's a possibility that it turns off Wi-Fi and mobile data when the phone is not being used. So henceforth, the kind of problem. Anyway, once you're done with your power saving mode, you can turn it off by simply tapping on it like this, and everything should go back to functioning as it did before. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.